In this video, you will see how to use the Verify Exists keyword in Avo Assure to verify the existence of a selected object such as buttons in their enabled or disabled state with an SAP application when automating it. Start with designing the first test step on the Design Test Steps screen by selecting authormenu_btn as the element name and Verify Exists as the keyword. This will verify the existence of the other menu option in the SAP page. Click Save to save the designed test step. Next, click Debug and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will debug the design test steps and verify the existence of the other menu button by highlighting it.